Welcome. Today I will teach you computer science of grade 5. So it's review time. We are going to start reviewing of unit number 2, that is about computer memory. So question number 1 is choose the correct option. Option number 1 is zeros and ones are called dash digits. Option A is double. Option B is binary and option C is unique. So zeros and ones are called binary digits. So option B is correct. Next one is hard disk is put inside the dash box. First one is UPS, second option is CPU and third is monitor. So हार्ड डिस्क किस बॉक्स के अंदर होती है? डेफिनेटली CPU. सो ऑप्शन B is correct. Third one is ROM is the dash memory. Option A is volatile. Option B is non-volatile and option C is none. So option B is correct. Fourth one is 1 byte contain dash bits. Option A is 6, option B is 7 and option C is 8. So 1 byte contains 8 bits. So option number C is correct. Move to next. Next one is fill in the blanks. First one is dash is a non-volatile memory. ROM, read only memory, is a non-volatile memory. Second one is dash holds the data temporarily. So RAM holds the data temporarily. Full form of RAM is random access memory. Next one is a computer understand only dash language. Definitely computer understands only machine language. Fifth one is dash is a small portable device used to store large amount of data. So pen drives is a small portable device used to store large amount of data. Last one is 1 megabyte equals to dash kilobytes. So 1 megabyte equals to 1024 kilobytes. Okay, move to next. Next one is true false. First one is there are 3 types of primary memory. No, it's false because there are 2 types of primary memory. First one is ROM and second one is RAM. Move to next. 1 byte consists of 8 bits. Yes, it's true. Next one is random access memory is a non-volatile memory. No, it's false because random access memory is a volatile memory. Next one is a DVD can store a full movie. Yes, it's true. DVD में आप फुल मूवी जो है उसको स्टोर कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज पेन ड्राइव्स आर मच फास्टर देन फ्लॉपी डिस्क. यस, इट्स ट्रू. पेन ड्राइव्स फ्लॉपी डिस्क से काफ़ी फास्टर हैं. ओके, मूव टू नेक्स्ट वन इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is define byte. Answer is byte is a group of 8 bits. Question number 2 is define bit. So answer is bit is a single digit having the value either 0 or 1. Question number 3 is what are the 2 types of primary memory? So the 2 types of primary memory. First one is ROM, read only memory, and second one is RAM, random access memory. Question number 4 is name 3 secondary storage devices. First one is hard disk drive, second one is floppy disk, and third one is DVD. Question number 5 is what are the basic use of pen drive? So answer is a pen drive is small portable device which can store and transfer the data from one computer to another with the help of pen drive. सो पेन ड्राइव की मदद से आप एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में डाटा को ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं और आप पेन ड्राइव में अपने डाटा को स्टोर भी कर सकते हैं. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज़ व्हाट इज़ हार्ड डिस्क? सो आंसर इज़ हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव has a very large storage capacity. All the programs like Windows, logo, Paint, etc. required for working on a computer are stored on its hard disk. So hard disk की बहुत ज़्यादा स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी होती है और आपके जितने भी प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं वो हार्ड डिस्क में स्टोर होते हैं. Well, students, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. So that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.